Hi guys! This video is very long overdue. It is almost Thanksgiving. Sorry, I'll explain why. This trip was kind of brutal. I don't know how much is gonna be like seen in the video actually of the crazy that went on, and I think all my friends like that we went on the trip like all together, we all kind of agree. However, we are going on another trip next year. It's like our makeup trip. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about the disclaimer, but let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emma. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. It is our first day in Disney World. Today we're going to Epcot. We got our boarding group this morning for Guardian. I'm so excited to go on. I've been on it twice already, but it's like the best ride ever. Currently, everyone's getting ready. I'm already ready because I actually like can't not be the first one ready for some reason. We're at Pop Century Resort. I literally love it here. The rooms are so cute and updated and everything's just so cute. Highly recommend staying here. We had a whole dilemma yesterday with Isabella's luggage. They lost her luggage, but she got it this morning. So Disney magic is like on our side, I think. It's our first Disney breakfast. God bless this mess. That's a big box. I've never been more excited for breakfast since like yesterday in my entire life.
We got the vegan character waffles with potato barrels or tater tots.
Yum!
And I got a coffee. I got the kids meal Mickey waffles.
Yep.
With potato barrels and bacon and an apple juice for sugar.
Love! And I got also the kids meal Mickey waffles with potato barrels. And I got a water. Hello. We made it to Flower and Garden. Does it look like I'm wearing this as a headpiece? No. Oh. If you don't want to see Guardians pre-show, skip now until when I tell you to not skip. The Crown of Wonder. When will Hannah have the Crown of Wonder?
I am one gen away.
Oh my god.
I have the legendary Crown of Wonder. The legendary Crown of Wonder.
Are you so excited?
So funny.
I feel like we're gonna have Everybody Wants to Rule the World.
I want one way or another, but I think we're gonna have Everybody Wants to Rule the World.
So I've gotten Conga probably 10 times. So I think we're gonna get Conga only because the group is unfortunately with me. But
I like Conga.
I want September.
And since the group is also unfortunately with me, and apparently I've been speaking things into existence, we're getting September.
I like September.
I like September.
All of these are good choices.
Except Conga.
Will we get in?
Greetings,
Meryl Streep.
You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay?
Okay. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
You made it!
We made it. We got One Way or Another. Oh my god, that was so good. That was even better than I remember.
Where she belongs.
We should have worn our shirts.
I did bring mine.
I also brought mine. Why do I want the water bottle? Happy Pride. I really love the Connections eatery thing. It's so cute. We just took pictures. They're right here. Aren't we so cute? Oh my god. We look amazing. Look at, there she is.
I have no.
Oh, you got it. Perfect.
I just hope she's not. It's really exciting to be here.
Yes. We're loving it. It's hot out though.
Em and I are so excited to not try at Toaster Mania. 2 days.
I am also preparing myself to not really try that hard.
Hey vlog, so today I'm taking you to Universal Studios. We're going to Harry Potter World, bitches.
No. Honestly, can we?
I have a pack.
I don't have an annual pass. I have a pass, but I don't have it with me.
Can we sneak her in as a baby? This is Grogu. Okay, he's my little baby boy. He's probably my everything right now, and I cannot wait to meet the Mandalorian. I'm gonna tell him about Frontier losing my luggage.
Club Cool Taste Test.
Korea.
Is that one good?
It's really good. I think I like Madagascar. It's apple lychee.
Mmm.
It tastes like apple juice.
I'm trying the Madagascar one.
I'm missing the, yeah.
That's good.
So good.
Kind of tastes like cough medicine, but like in a good way. Okay, I'm trying the Korea one.
I think you should try this one.
That one's like bland. I don't like that. This is the China.
It's really good. That's the barbecue one.
Ugh. I need to go back to my Madagascar. I would rate the China one disgusting.
The Madagascar one is
Madagascar one
the
best.
Korea one's the best.
Korea one. Middle child. Not try the Beverly. And I'm okay with that.
Have you ever had Beverly?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I don't need to try it again.
It's a rite of passage.
Yeah. Oh, and I've had it. Not in like 10 years, but I've had it.
I made my friend who is from California, like who goes to Disneyland, I made her try it once.
Oh God.
And I was like, it's so good! And she was like, it was so bad.
The barbecue one is actually worse than the Beverly.
The barbecue one's nasty.
It's
But I like barbecue sauce.
A smoky flavor should not be in a soda.
Best ride. Second best ride in Epcot.
My top 3 is Guardians, number 1, Frozen Ever After, number 2, and then Soarin', tied with Living with the Land.
My top 3, Guardians, Test Track, Soarin'.
That's fair.
I don't know, thoughts?
It's okay. It's definitely a car.
Cutie!
Trying to see who it says.
Ah! Good show. It's Violet Lemonade time. Woo! Violet Lemonade. That's it. And I also have my pass holder. It's a Violet Lemonade party. Taste test around the world. We just got like some Rex from this guy. He was like, you have to get the stamp. Taste test.
Do you want my flour?
Mmm. How's your stuff? Yay! Delish. How are we feeling?
The 3 caballeros,
The 3 caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather.
I'm feeling great. I'm ready to do this ride.
I'm ready to have a Tokyo sunset.
Honestly true.
And also a Mickey pretzel.
Are we in dinosaur right now? Let's get that dinosaur.
It's close.
Wait,
Why does God hate me?
Drink 1. The troll creme from Norway.
I've like never been in here. That's a painting, Hannah. Can you tell the difference? You've had one too many sips.
Has not even finished 1 drink. I've taken 3 sips.
Oh, you're not convincing me to go in the ocean. That will not be an M.T. excursion. Are these artifacts real?
For real, yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Princess Hannah. Oh.
I didn't say that. If I get a crown for tomorrow, it's gonna be this one.
No, I want it. I have no reason to get a crown. Which crown matches my tattoo?
That one.
Comment down below.
That one.
They're saying that one.
'Cause that's hearts
There's
on.
also this one.
Because yours has
That
2
one.
little hearts and this one also is.
I really like this one. No crowns for us, but crowns on the inside. I'm literally about to be in real Italy and seeing all of this in real life.
Emma's seeing my homeland, Slovenia.
I'm so excited.
Orange
looks
juice
really
and
good.
strawberry puree.
Spumoni.
I got the orange Cello cocktail and I will rate it a 8 out of 10. He said, because he's 50, he can drink this. He says he gives it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah. Yeah. Get into it.
We're almost in America, where my Mickey pretzel is. Nothing, not anything will stop me from getting it. So excited. Do I, a vegetarian, get a turkey leg? Be honest. It's fresh from the oven. are just so good. Every year, it gets better and better. You already know what time it is. Tokyo Sunset time.
Second drink, Tokyo Sunset. Whoa, fantastic as always.
First Tokyo Sunset of this trip. Cheers. 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 That's so good.
Best drink at Epcot.
True.
In my humble opinion.
No, literally. Fun fact, they built statues of me and Hannah. So. Are you happy to be in Paris? We got baguettes. Honorary bread ripper. Perfect. This is like ASMR.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo! Cheers! We made it to Canada. I've never been up here either. I didn't even know there was stuff up here. Since literally when?
Beautiful.
This is crazy. What? We're going to Figment. Oh,
Fun
yes.
Fact of the day.
Woo!
I would like to say that my fun fact is related to the country France. In France, the people eat at least 25,000 tons of snails in a year.
That's crazy.
Not true.
I would believe it, honestly. I would believe it. That's a good fun fact.
Thank you. I hope it's real. If it's not, you can blame the internet.
While we're heading to Figment, I would like to remind you that although I was scared the past 2 years, I will not be scared again, but I don't trust anybody. No. Don't make that face. Don't make that face. I'm being bullied at Disneyland, Disney World, whatever this place is called.
The land of imagination.
No. I can't believe there's a lightning lane for this.
No one ever used it.
I'm like,
People use it.
Really?
no way. Y'all better wish me luck on this damn ride. I will not be scared again. I love these little beaded curtains. It's like I'm in the 70s. Alina has one more chance to redeem herself
I won't.
on Soarin'.
I will not redeem myself.
You underestimate yourself. I believe in you. How are you feeling about getting your moment, your time to
I
shine?
did practice it in the bathroom.
Really?
I literally did it from memory. So it's probably wrong.
Oh God.
We're gonna find out shortly.
I believe in you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, and it will be on film no matter what happens.
Great. Why is my heart racing?
It's your
Am I
time to
afraid?
shine.
Hi, my name is Alina. I'm 5'4" and I'm currently based in Chicago, Illinois. Thank you for your time.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I am currently 5'5" and I am currently based in Chicago, Illinois.
Hello, my name is Isabella. I am 5'5" and I'm currently based in Chicago, Illinois.
Hi, I'm 5'2" and I'm based in Chicago, Illinois.
Oh my God. That's worth it.
Soon you will be airborne.
You did it.
This is the closest you ever got.
It was like
Yeah. We're going to our last ride of the first park day in Epcot. The big golf ball. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you want to watch the rest of my Disney series, I have all of them linked in one of these corners. Watch it, have fun. Let me know what you think. Bye!